me a favor. The majority of people that watch my channel are not subscribed. So hit that subscribe button, hit the notification bell so you know when I post new videos, and hit that thumbs up. Welcome to Texas Beard Adventures. I'm Brad Harrell, your host, and today we're talking about how to be your own GC. We have just broken ground on my in-laws' house out here at the ranch. And I wanted to go over how to be your own GC. What do you need to start with as far as getting plans? That's probably your first and foremost, right? Getting plans. Once you have a set of plans that you like, either with a designer or with an architect, then you're going to want to go ahead and start getting bids from subs. You need concrete, plumbing, electrical, framing, HVAC, depending on what the exterior of the building is going to be. You need a mason if it's going to be brick or rock, a roofer. Those are going to be your main subs where the bulk of your cost is going to be coming from. And then of course you need a framing bid as far as lumber. And then once you've got all that kind of laid out and an idea of what the house is going to cost to build, because not everybody has an unlimited budget, right? Unless you're Warren Buffett or Bill Gates. Next place is going to be, if you've got a place to build your house, picking the spot where it's going to be. Like for instance, this spot here, it had this wall of dirt. Now it's a wall of dirt. Before, it gradually came this way, and there's actually 6 feet of fall from there to over there. So my buddy Justin came over and he scraped all this out so that way we could try to minimize the amount of concrete that we're going to be using, limiting the high side of the slab from, instead of like 6 feet off the ground, it's like 3 to 4 feet off the ground. So that's good. So you have your place where you want to put the house. Next thing is going to be get your concrete guy, call him up. In this case, it's my buddy Travis. He came over, had his crew come and put all the forms around the exterior of the building, and then he leaves one area over here at the garage open. So that way his gravel trucks can get in here and dump his gravel, and then you can get machinery in and out also. So before they bring a bunch of gravel in here, we had to come in, and me and Tony and Robert, we put the plumbing in, mainly those two guys, because I had other stuff to do. But so we got the master over there on that side. We've got a little hall bath right here. There is the kitchen, ice makers right there, and then there's going to be a guest, like Jack and Jill bathroom over that way. And then all this area is the garage, big old garage. We don't have any inspections out here on the plumbing because we're in the rural area. So we go ahead and get our plumbing in, fill it up with water, make sure we don't have any leaks, and then we're ready for Travis to come back with his bagging crew and bag up all of the foundation in here. He also has to dig his beams. You got some exterior beams on the outside slab, and then he'll have some interior beams that go from there to there, and then from there this way. Then he'll be doing, and I'll make another video after he gets all the bags in and then the rebar, and I'll show y'all what that looks like. So yeah, this is the beginning stages of home building and being your own GC. You want to make sure you pick good subs, dependable subs. The cheapest guy is not always the best. Typically, historically, you're going to have problems with the cheapest guy. He may even try to take some money from you and not do his job, which is not good. Only people that make money in that situation are the lawyers. So yeah, this is it. Gonna be a really nice house. We have some trees to clear out over in that area. The septic got put in already, and I'll show y'all what that looks like. I didn't make any video of them putting that in. Coming this way, dropping down, and then there's our septic right there. That is going to be a aerobic system, and the spray heads are over yonder. We had to go with a aerobic septic in this instance because of the soil in this area. It's got a lot of clay in it, so it's not good for absorption. And the cost to make it a traditional anaerobic system was not economical, so my in-laws decided to go with the aerobic system, which was the least, it's more maintenance in the long run, but it is the least expensive in the beginning. So anyway, let's see. Before we pour to the slab, we're going to be running water lines in the slab. I have to contact the electrician, and he's got to run some floor plugs. So we got a lot of work to do, but making some headway, and it's exciting. So I hope y'all enjoy this video. This is going to be kind of a new series that I'm going to be doing, and I hope y'all come along. I hope y'all come along for the ride, and maybe you'll learn something. I'm sure I will, because I learn something all the time. If you ain't learning, you ain't working. I hope you enjoyed this episode of Texas Beard Adventures. Do me a favor, if you're new to my channel, consider subscribing and hitting the notification bell so you know when I post new videos. Check me out on Instagram at Texas Beard Adventures. Me and the wife and the kitties do all kinds of great stuff over there. And I'll check you on the flip side. You dang hillbillies.